won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding, true love and understanding for the rest of my days.